Impeach Trump. Well, I am not saying it. Trump's one closest ally and friend, Elon Musk, is saying it. The feud has boiled over, and the bromance as we know it has come to a hard stop. For more than a week, Musk has been thrashing Trump's signature piece of legislation, the so called Big Beautiful Bill, and has been actively lobbying against it, even urging lawmakers and the public to help kill the bill, which would end electric vehicle subsidies that have long benefited Musk's Tesla. Hello, I'm Gunjan Handa, and let me take you through this. What was earlier being dismissed as a simple disagreement has now come out in the open to expose a relationship that once took the world by storm, almost disrupting the world as we know it. Just months ago, Musk and Trump appeared to be a unified political force. Musk had poured nearly $200 million into supporting Trump's re-election bid in 2024. And after Trump's victory, Musk was appointed to head the newly established Department of Government Efficiency, or DOGE as it came to know. Their partnership was so close that Trump recently gifted Musk a ceremonial key to the White House in appreciation for his government services. On Thursday, while meeting the German leader in the Oval Office, Trump spoke candidly about the disappointment with Musk. He said, quote, "Elon and I had a great relationship. I don't know if we will anymore." He told reporters, expressing astonishment at Trump's public campaign against the bill. Trump emphasized that Musk, quote, "understood the intricacies of this bill better than nearly anyone present," highlighting how personal the rift has become. In response, Musk launched a series of extraordinary attacks on X, suggesting without evidence that Trump appears in unreleased files related to the late sex offender Jeffrey Epstein, or the Epstein files as we know it. These so-called Epstein files have fueled speculation and conspiracy theories, though much of the content remains classified and unverified. Musk's posts have been relentless, calling Trump, quote, "ungrateful," and claiming, quote, "without me, Trump would have lost the election, Democrats would control the House, and Republicans would be 51-49 in the Senate." Trump's team has not held back either. He shot back several times on Truth Social, saying Musk, quote, "went crazy after being asked to leave the administration and threatened to cut government contracts with Musk's companies, a move he claims would have saved billions and billions of dollars in the federal budget." Trump also pointed out that Musk's outrage only began after he eliminated electric vehicle tax credits, a provision crucial to Tesla's business. The feud has had immediate financial repercussions. Amid the fighting, Tesla's stock price dropped a staggering 14%, erasing around $150 billion in market capitalization and pushing Musk's EV giant below the 1 trillion threshold, the largest single-day loss in Tesla's history. The market turmoil underscores just how high the stakes are, not only for their personal fortunes, but also for the broader political and economic landscape. Meanwhile, the political fallout is spreading. Senator Elizabeth Warren's office has reportedly released a list of 130 acts of alleged corruption committed by Elon Musk during his stint in the Trump administration, accusing him of leveraging his government access for personal business gains. While these claims have yet to be substantiated, they add further fuel to an already raging fire. As the feud continues to escalate, it remains to be seen whether Musk can muster enough backing to push for Trump's impeachment, a move that seems unlikely given Republican control of Congress, or if Trump will succeed in taking down Musk both as a political force and the richest man in the world. What is clear is that the once unbreakable alliance between two of the world's most influential figures has shattered in spectacular, very public fashion, with consequences that could reverberate through Washington and the Wall Street alike. I am Gunjan Handa reporting from the newsroom for the Asian Chronicles.